Welcome to Dream Big, where your journey toward unlocking limitless potential begins. This is more than just a movement. It's a call to action, a global community dedicated to personal growth, empowerment, and transformation. What if you could break free from doubt? What if every step you take leads closer to your biggest dreams? At Dream Big, we provide the tools, strategies, and inspiration to turn what if into what's next. Whether you're here to find purpose, conquer challenges, or create a legacy, Dream Big is your partner in success.
Together, let's rise above limitations and build a brighter future. Because every great story begins with a dream. Welcome to Dream Big, part of the Mindset Mastery series with Maurice.